Preeti, now NCDs are the silent killers. So what is the correlation of NCDs and the mental health?
So when we talk about NCDs, then we realize that people living with NCDs will also have an impact of this physical health issue on their day-to-day life, on their emotions, and how they interact with the society. So in that sense, NCDs do have an impact of mental health when you look at it from a psychosocial lens.
All right. And what is the importance of social psycho support system?
So whenever we talk about diseases, the care for the patient comes from the family in the context of India. So that is one of the social systems that's available to a patient. It's equally important that there is support system from, say, the education system. If there's a child, say, with type 2 diseases, then the education system needs to be supportive of such a child. There'll be need from support from the workplaces if there's a young person joining the workforce and there are no health benefits that include the kind of NCDs that, say, a cancer survivor may need, or support that a cancer survivor may need. So there is a very high correlation between psychological, which is the emotional support, as well as social support that NCD patients will need.
All right. What is your ask from the government and the policymakers?
So I would say, like every person who does advocacy, is more funding into programs for NCDs. I think because we work a lot in mental health, then integration of mental health into the existing NCD programs, because of the high correlation that NCDs and mental health have. And also, I would say, incorporating the voices of people with lived experience at the time of design of programs, because it is important that lived realities of individuals get factored in, and it's not just academically qualified people who are giving the opinions.
Right. Your concluding message for people at large?
I would say mental health is also an NCD. I think there is a need to look at mental health or any NCD issue or chronic diseases from a psychosocial lens. Look at it from an intersectoral lens, that are multiple elements that interact with people living with the disease, and start talking about it from a health equity lens, which means start looking at how gender, caste, religion, age interact with health systems and impact access to health, impact treatment availability and adherence to treatment.
Right. And collaborative effort from all the stakeholders,
Yes.
advocacy and enough action will make all the difference and the impact. Thank you so much.